Welcome to Identity Tutorials. In this video, we will learn how to apply the SailPoint IdentityIQ 8.4P2 patch step by step. We will cover pre-deployment, patch deployment, IQService upgrade, and the rollback plan. Let's begin with Section 1, Pre-Deployment Steps. First, patch download. Download the 8.4P2 patch from the SailPoint community portal and copy the jar file to your Linux server using WinSCP. Next, the backup steps. We start by exporting IIQ objects. Run the Export IIQ Objects task on one task server. In the task options, set the base path to /temp/dev/devexport_28April. Check Remove IDs from exported XML. Check Add C data sections. Set classes to export to default. Leave the regular expression filter blank. Check Strip environment-specific metadata. Leave Only include objects updated after this date unchecked. Set the naming format to $name, $. Leave the target.properties file blank and leave the comparison directory blank as well. Now, stop Apache Tomcat. Navigate to /apps/tomcat/bin and run shutdown.sh. Confirm the process is no longer running with ps-ef grep tomcat. Back up the entire Tomcat folder. Go to /apps and run cp-r tomcat bkp_tomcat_28 April 2026. Don't forget the additional backups. Backup IQService.zip from the Windows server and coordinate a database backup with your DBA team. This is critical. Next, unjar the patch file. Navigate to /temp/dev/8.4P2 patch and run jar-xvf IdentityIQ-8.4P3.jar. After extraction, remove the original jar file from this folder. Finally, copy the 8.4P2 patch files to the current installation. Go to /apps/tomcat/webapps/IIQdev and run rsync-av/temp/dev/8.4P2 patch/ followed by a dot. Now, Section 2, Patch Deployment Steps. First, execute the database script. Navigate to /apps/tomcat/webinf/database. Use the SQL Server script named upgrade_identity-IQ_tables-8.4P3.SQL Server. Execute it through SSMS. Before running, update the schema details for both the normal database and the access history database with the correct schema names. If you encounter a database version error, run the following two updates. On the main schema, update spt_database_version set system_version equals 8.4-109, where name equals main. And on the history schema, update spt_hist_database_version set system_version equals 8.4-109, where name equals main. Next, apply the patch. Go to /apps/tomcat/webinf/bin and run ./IIQ-patch 8.4P2. Then start Tomcat. Navigate to /apps/tomcat/bin and run startup.sh. Verify the process with ps-ef grep Tomcat.
Section 3.
IQService Upgrade Plan. First, stop the IQService from Windows services. Then, extract the IQService files. On the IdentityIQ server, copy the contents of the Linux webinf/bin/win directory to every location where Windows IQ Service is running, and extract into the IQ Service installation folder. Alternatively, download the P3 patch from the SailPoint community link, rename IdentityIQ 8.4P2 to a .zip extension, and use expand archive in PowerShell to extract it. Verify the current version with IQService.exe-v and stop the service with IQService.exe-k. Uninstall the existing service with IQService.exe-u. Then install the new version with IQService.exe-i-o5051-L3. Register the IQService domain user with IQService.exe-a, followed by your service account, for example, AD_SVC_AD_dev_D. Finally, restart the service with IQService.exe-t and verify the version once more with IQService.exe-v. Section 4. The Rollback Plan. If anything goes wrong, here is your safety net. First, stop Tomcat with shutdown.sh. Restore the IIQ dev folder from your Tomcat backup. Restore the IQ service folder on the Windows server, and have your DBA team restore the database. Once everything is back in place, start Tomcat again with startup.sh. That's how you apply the SailPoint IdentityIQ 8.4P2 patch safely. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Identity Tutorials for more SailPoint content. Thank you for watching.